All right, guys, here's a quick video of what we just went over if you needed to review that, okay? So what we're going to look at here is we have two equations. So we have equation 1, again, we have equation 1, and then equation 2 here. So these are two separate equations. And then what we can do here is we can solve this system of equations by using substitution. So we can substitution, okay? And all that means is we're going to replace a variable, with a number or with something else, okay? So what we know is we have, and I'll start with this equation down here. So we know we have x equals 3, and then I'm going to put parentheses right here, okay? I'm going to leave that open. Minus 4, all right? And the reason I did the parentheses there is because this is 3 times y, right? In this equation, it's 3 times y. Remember, this is multiplication. So 3 times something, all right? Well, in this equation, it's y. But here's the thing. We already know the value of y. Y equals 7. Y equals 7. So all we have to do is take the 7, all right? Because y equals 7, we're going to take it and we're going to substitute it in, okay? And so what that would give us is, we just rewrite it. So x equals 3 times 7. So we're going to do this multiplication. So we multiply here. So we multiply, and that 3 times 7 is just 21. We still have our minus 4. So x would equal 21 minus 4, sorry about that, is 17, okay? So now we know that x equals 17, and we know the value of x and the value of y. Y equals 7 and x equals 17. We could actually check this, right? We could put this back into our equation with these two values into this equation, and we could check. So we know x equals 17, so we'd have 17 equals, and actually I'll show you kind of what I'm doing here. I'll rewrite this equation. So x equals 3y minus 4. So what I'm doing is I'm just using the values of x and y in this equation. I have an x here and a y here, so I'm plugging them back in. So I'm checking to see. So x is 17. See how they line up? And then I have 3. I'll keep it all. 3. And then I need to multiply it times 7 because y equals 7 here. So 3 times 7 minus 4, right? So we have 17 equals 21 minus 4. And this is correct. 17 equals 21 minus 4 is 17. So it absolutely works, okay? 17 does equal 17 all the time. All right, thanks.